Hello friends, today we will talk about WOWSTICK DNF Plus 1F Plus. It is a kit with 69 in 1. All what you need to some work with electronics. If you don't have exactly nothing in this kit, you get almost all what anyone need for homework with small electronics. At first we have shredder. All boxes from this kit named like IM case, IM big group with bits X3, X3, X2. Some bits are long as usual for deep holes. Also we have micro USB for charging, built-in battery. Also we have some other small accessories. 56 bits. This one is funny magnetizer. I can show it. First demagnetize, and I trying to get it no contact. Then I go to magnetizer, and let's see how it works. Magic. This pad, magnet pad, also in complete. Also this buzzer, you can stand it and put something where you need it. Will not roll to somewhere. Also this bit, it's not a problem. Keys. In case you can put some actual bits. Here. Shredder. Magnets. And you can go where you need with your instrument. Strong magnet. As you see, it's free and not fall. Let's see it in some deals. For example, so one side, back side, 3 lights. And again. Perfect. So WOWSTICK 1F Plus. It's awesome kit for that person which don't have no one of these tools, and you buy one lot and get everything what do you need for some works with electronics like smartphone, notebook, PC, desktops, smart electronic works for house. Really cool, really high quality. I love it, but it's not low cost item. In description of this video I will left link for text review where I show more. Also, I will left link for store where you can buy it. Shop Brandon store which sell gifts for any person. Thank you for watching. Bye bye bye.